friends, welcome back to Traditionally Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Kimchi is a traditional Korean side dish made from salted and fermented vegetables. Usually includes napa cabbage and Korean radish, seasoned with onions, ginger, garlic, and fish sauce. In today's video, we will be showing you how to make kimchi with regular green cabbage and without fish sauce. The mix is pickled and fermented to preserve the vegetables for winter months. Chop cabbage into 1-inch wide pieces. Salt the cabbages by mixing it with salt water. Let cabbage sit in salt water for 2 to 3 hours. Toss 2 to 3 times to make sure that the salt water reaches the cabbage evenly. Let's prepare the kimchi seasoning. To a blender, add red onion, ginger, red chili flakes, garlic powder. Want to know how we make our famous roasted garlic powder? Watch our suggested video that pops up. Usually this recipe is made with fish sauce. We will be using the salted water from the cabbage, not so much, just about 2 tablespoons. Grind into a coarse paste. It should taste quite spicy, salty, and pungent. Don't worry, because this will be blended with the cabbage and the taste will get smoother with the fermentation. You can also add some sugar if you would like. Wash and drain salted cabbage. In a bowl, add cabbage, green onions, and kimchi seasoning. Mix well until everything mixes well. Kimchi is used to flavor fried rice, stir-fried dishes, noodles, sandwiches, pizzas, and many more dishes. Put green cabbage kimchi in a container and let it ferment at room temperature for 2 days or in the refrigerator for a few days. Add the pickle brine. Flavorsome kimchi is ready for serving. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye bye!